So those of you who have daughters, it's a trend in some of the countries where people think that sons are superior to girls. Don't think that. Sons are not superior to girls. Actually, sons are servants to the girls. Sons are supposed to be the caretakers of the girls, the sisters. That's why they were given a little more in inheritance, not so they can fill their pockets as most of the sons nowadays do. It wasn't to fill pockets. It was to take care of the women in your family. Another lesson. We don't have time to get into that. But that's for these young boys to do, these imams. You could let that be rule. Yeah? That the sons are there to take care of the ladies in the family. Because a time will come, whether we like it or not, the Prophet ﷺ says, a time will come as one of the signs of the day of judgment when a man will have to take care of 50 women. Now, he wouldn't be able to marry these 50 women, but who will be these 50 women? Maybe 4 wives, if his wife gave him permission to. Mother, sister, daughter-in-law, sister-in-law, the whole, maybe including his neighbor too. So many women will be around that he will have to take care of them. Sign of Qiyamah. So Allah is saying here, وَلَيْسَ الذَّكَرُ كَالْأُنْثَى. Don't think that a boy would have been wiser than a girl. In Allah's wisdom, this girl chosen. Spirituality and wisdom. Lesson again, those of you who have daughters, don't think that your sons are superior to them. And that's a cultural, jahiliyyah, ignorant, cultural practice where people think that their boys are superior to the girls. Don't get trapped with that. Go check this verse out. Yeah? Be very careful. Don't commit that sin. A lot of lessons. Then Allah